By the way, I just finished filming another video. I don't know if I'm gonna upload the other one first or this video. Either way, I'm wearing the same thing. I kind of don't want to move. I'm flowing right now, so I just want to kind of film all the videos that I can film while the kids are a little distracted. So this time around, this is not going to be a surprise. I opened my box. I know exactly what I got. I feel like I can talk about it better when I know what it is before I turn on the camera. My previous Boxycharms, I would just open it with you guys right here and just be like, surprise. And I don't really like surprises unless it's like a bonus check, you know what I mean? So this month it says totally Boxycharm. I got 5 items in my box. I'm gonna start off with this one. This is Pure the Complexion Authority Pink Glitter Mask. Ooh, I'm excited to try this one. Glitterly pink. It's a brightening peel off mask with licorice extract, green tea, vitamin B, and ginseng. Created in celebration of the 60th anniversary of Barbie. Oh wow, I didn't know that. This retails for $26. Can we open this so I can smell it? Oh, that's my lipstick. Okay, it has one of these little sealing things. Oh, that smells good. Let's see. I want to see the... Oh wow, it has a smell, but I don't think that smell's gonna bother me. Can we just rub this in a little bit? Oh, I'm gonna try this out tonight. The other item that I'm excited for is this Tarte Big Ego. Now, when I just looked at it, I thought it was one of those serums. One time I tried a serum and it was a bad experience. Like, my eyes were burning. I don't know about that. I'm glad this is a mascara. Tarte Big Ego. I love that this is bright pink. This is what the wand looks like. I'm gonna put this on.
Plus, we went with my mom. We went with my mom to a doctor's appointment. And so, right now, I am loving the BH Cosmetics mascara that I got in my other Boxycharm box a couple months ago.
With this one, I am going to have to use another mascara. I don't have any eyelashes, so I feel like with this one, you have to have eyelashes to use it. Because I don't have any eyelashes. This retails for $23, an Ultra Black Vegan Mascara. So this is a vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a full loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Is this waterproof? No, I don't think so. Jumping into this Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. It has one of those safety keep me closed to keep me cool. And then, oh, here it goes. Here it goes. And I'm glad it doesn't come with one of those little pads. So this is weightless powder, sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish. $39 is the retail price for this. This is a very good brand. It's called Briogeo. This retails for $16. It says don't despair, repair, strength, moisture, leave-in mask. Okay, this is a really good brand and their stuff works. Like, so I'm excited to use this. This retails for $42. Wow. This Boxycharm box is $21 a month, if I didn't mention that already. And this mascara is the price of the whole box. So if you do the calculation, I'm sure this is well over $100, this whole box. But Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion. Ooh, I need that. Okay. Oh, we got this, I think maybe a month or 2 months ago in our box, and this is a primer. This is the one that I just opened for you guys right now, and it's an essential oil. Like, is this like the new packaging style? Because that, oh, it's pink. Look at that. It's pink. like I smell a hint, like a very small hint of nail polish. Oh, but look at that. It goes in there very nicely. Here's the mask. Let's see if I can peel this off. I didn't put a lot. Oh, look at that. I didn't put a lot on here, but oh, cool. This was the most expensive thing in this box. So all my social media will be down below. Be sure to follow me there because that is where I like to like Snapchat or IG stories or tweet about these products that I'm using. Don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up this video, and I will see you in the next one.